talk to you today a little bit about the Mezuzah. This is a Mezuzah. We place it on our doorposts. For a Mezuzah, you need three things. You need a doorpost, you need a case, and a scroll. So let's talk to you a little bit about the case and the scroll. Here are a few cases. We have here a really basic one, another more fancier one. Here's one for a child's room. Really, you can be creative with the cases. It doesn't really matter which case you use. What's most important is what goes in the case. What goes in the case is a scroll. On this scroll, we have two portions. These are the two portions in the Torah, Deuteronomy 6 and Deuteronomy 11. And on these two places, this is where it talks about the Mezuzah, the mitzvah, the commandment to do a Mezuzah. You have to be careful to get a scroll from a kosher scribe. Once someone bought me a Mezuzah, we all got together, we started to put it up. I realized it was all on printer paper, and so we weren't able to put it up. So remember to try to get it from a kosher scribe. It's a really important thing. Let's bring you over here to the Mezuzah. It's placed, as you see, on a diagonal slant. The reason for this is pretty simple. A few hundred years ago, there were different opinions amongst the authorities as to how to place it. One group says you place it horizontally, another group said vertically. So what do? Jews like to compromise. We made a compromise. We say you place it diagonally. And that's really the custom amongst Ashkenazic Jews. Sephardic Jews, Jews from Middle Eastern countries will place it vertically. The reason behind the Mezuzah, there really are two main reasons behind it. Number one, there's a mystical explanation. The idea is basically that the mitzvah protects us, protects our home, and it guards us from negative things. And sometimes you'll hear people say, if things go wrong, we have to check our mezuzahs, because the idea is that they're supposed to provide some sort of spiritual, mystical protection. Another more rational explanation is that we put mezuzahs all around our home, at the entrance to our home also, because as we enter each room, as we enter the entrance of our home, we want to remember the key values of Judaism, which are to love God, to learn Torah, and to love our fellow neighbor.